Okay, so we have our glass here, we have our environment, right? And what we want to do is kind of look at it in a render view, right? So the first thing we want to do is go to our render display settings, right? And this is what I recommend you doing, right? On the common, let's go ahead and go out, and this is going to make for just faster renders, is that if we switch this to uh, from whatever it's on, right? Probably some sort of HD, probably HD 540, I think is what the default is. If we go to just kind of standard definition, this will make things kind of faster for us. We can only switch out when we do our final render option, which we're going to have to go back here to render settings anyway. But if we do this, this is going to be faster, right? Now we know how to render out with like a quick preview of everything using these tools, right? Where we can preview the current frame. It takes a second to build, right? Well, Arnold has its own renderer where we can go into Arnold. We can open Arnold render view, and we can click this on this. Yours will probably come up blank. If we hit the play button up here, yours will probably be bigger, right? It'll start to build, and it'll build faster. And as you can see, as it starts to build, we're at 9, 10, 11, 12. This is going pretty fast. It's going faster anyway. As you can see, it is starting to come up with how it looks. As you can see, we have the reflection going on in the wood and stuff, and this is getting really photorealistic and good looking. And if I go back in here and let's say I move it, as you can see, it starts to render and change as we go along with it, right? Which is great for kind of like a quick preview of what's going on, right? So we will refer to this render, the Arnold renderer, throughout the rest of these tutorials.